everyone, Steph Beckett here at CEDIA Expo 2023, and I'm here with Chris over at rAVe by Springs Window Fashions. How's it going?
Going great, thank you, yeah.
How has the show been for you guys? I know this is your very first CEDIA Expo, and it's been a really good CEDIA Expo to be your first one, so tell me a little bit about what it's like to kind of enter this market and be here.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. All of the traffic we've had has been fantastic. The conversations we're having are great. I think there's a really strong interest that's growing in the window coverings category for us and for the channel, and so we're really excited to showcase kind of a complete line of products for them to take advantage of, so it's been great for us.
I know we're going to do product videos with you later, so we're going to have ones for each product that you're showing here, but why don't you tell the people who are watching a little bit of what you're showing if they're not familiar?
Yeah, so rAVe has actually been around for 90 years. We're definitely one of the larger window covering manufacturers in the industry, and we're new to this channel, but we're seeing that there's a great need for what we're calling a designer complete offering with all the categories and fabrics and solutions to make sure that the dealers are competitive with local window coverings companies, but also with other dealers in the channel that are also offering window coverings.
So tell me a little bit about, rAVe is a pretty unique company, so tell me a little bit more about what makes it so unique.
So we've actually got a lot of different innovations. We have a lot of different lift systems where we have something called ultralight that's all counterbalanced with springs, and so you can order pretty much any one of our window coverings in both a manual and a motorized option with a lot of different upgrades to them that's kind of unique in the window covering space.
And for those CIs who have been walking through the show, I know that you've gotten a lot of questions. What have been some of the most interesting questions or things that CIs have asked you? Do you do that?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of questions around how do you support us in getting into the window coverings business, because it is pretty complex and they've got to learn how to sell fabrics and how to meet with customers. It's a little bit different, so we're definitely offering them what I consider a great program of how to consult and help them build that side of their business.
That's actually cool that you guys help support them in that instead of just being like, I don't know, sell it.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. It's we definitely don't want to just dump all the product on them and expect them to do it on their own. We provide them with a lot of local and online support of whatever they need to get going. So
that's really cool. I think a lot of CIs are probably not used to being like, okay, I need to think like a designer right now. Like they're so used to thinking of how many black boxes do I need? What cable do I need to use here? So I think that this is like a little different of a frame of mind. So I think it's really cool and interesting that you kind of help them to be like, all right, here's what you need to do to get into this market.
Exactly, yeah, it's definitely, every window is a custom product, so they're not just ordering a SKU. They have to actually take a little more time to measure it right, and so those are the things we're trying to teach them of how to have the right operating procedures to not make mistakes and make money with a new category.
Cool. What has been the most exciting thing about being here at CEDIA Expo?
I've been in the industry for, going on 18 years, and it's good to see a lot of the friendly faces and come back and kind of show them something new, a new category that they can really boost their business and kind of expand and grow and make more money. So, yeah.
Final question for you is, where can people find more information?
So if you go to graveblinds.com/4-dealers, that's where you become a dealer, but our website has all of the information on our products. You can also reach us at htisales@graveblinds.com if they want to email us directly.
Very cool. It was lovely to meet you, Chris.
Yeah, lovely to meet you. Thank you.
Of course. And don't forget on our side as well, for our full amount of CEDIA coverage, all you have to do is go to ravepubs.com/CEDIA Expo. We'll see you next time.